Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Upwork app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Upwork app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Upwork, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter the exact thing I will enter so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Upwork app on this website, it's so simple. You just need to click this to select the version of Upwork you want to download. And then you can now select a version. I recommend you to choose this one. And after you've selected a version, you can now click the download button right here. And then there you go guys, your Upwork installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And once the app installation is finished, the terms and service policy of the app will appear on your screen. You can read it if you want, and once you've decided to agree to their terms, just click the agreement button. And then there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, your Upwork app will now be installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in your account and then you will be able to use the app. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.